Good morning students, welcome to the class of mathematics with me Anisha. Today I am going to tell you how to solve the question based on trigonometric identities. You can see on your screen that three identities are there, what is written on your screen. This is the first one, that is cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1. This is the second one, that is 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, and this is the third one, 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Only three identities are there that you can learn, and then we have to use these identities to solve different kinds of question. Today I am going to solve almost all question of exercise but in different sessions. Okay, so let's try to understand it one by one. So you can see on your screen the very first question is written there from NCERT book, exercise 8.4, that is express trigonometric ratios sin a, sec a and tan a in terms of cot a. So first of all, since sin a is there, so we have to use this third formula, because we know that reciprocal of sin a is cosec a and it is expressed in cot a, so we have to use this formula only. Okay, now let's start it. So it is 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. So you can write cosec a as root under 1 plus cot square a, as we have taken a square root on both sides, and just transpose these two values. Bring RHS part to LHS part and LHS part to RHS part, and then take the square root of it. Okay, now cosec a can be written as 1 upon sin a. So 1 upon sin a is root under 1 plus cot square a. Now again, what I'm doing, that I'm just bringing this part to the denominator side and take this part to the numerator one of the other side. So it will become 1 upon 1 plus cot square a, that is equal to sin a. So you can see here that what is written in the question, we have to express sin a in terms of cot a. Okay, so I have expressed sin a in terms of cot a. Okay, so this is the first part what I have solved here. Now the second term is sec a. So sec, that means already we know we have to express sec in terms of cot a. That means we have to use this part, second, because we know that reciprocal of tan will be cot and sec should be expressed in terms of cot. So using second formula, we can write 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. Now taking a square root on both sides, it will become 1 plus root under 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec a. Okay, now you can do one thing, that you have to convert this tan to cot. So it will become 1 upon cot square a, because square is there, so square should be there in cot section also. So that is equal to sec a. Now we'll solve it. We have to take the LCM first, that is cot square a, and this will become cot square a plus 1. So that is equal to sec a. Now just transpose these two values to both the sides. You can see here that sec a will become equal to root under 1 plus cot square a upon cot square a. Since this is a fraction and this is a square of something, so we can take it out of the square root. So it will become 1 plus cot square a, and then this square will become cot a, because we are removing a square root of it. So now again we have expressed sec a in terms of cot a. Sec a is expressed in terms of cot a. And then the last part is there, we have to express tan a in terms of cot a. This is the second part. Now the third one is tan a. So tan a is equal to 1 upon cot a. So no identity is used here, because we already know simply that tan a is equal to 1 upon cot a. So that's how you can able to solve the questions based on it. This is the very first type of question which you need to solve while when it is given in your question, that express any trigonometric ratios in terms of any other trigonometric ratios. Then the very first clue to solve these type of question is that you have to choose the identities first, that which identity we need to use here. You can see that the first identity has not been used here, because no need to use it. Only sin, sec and tan we have to express these trigonometric ratios in terms of cot A. So one is not required here. So what is the requirement of the question? That you have to analyze very first, and then accordingly you have to choose the identities, and then the only thing you have to keep into in your mind that we have to express which trigonometric ratios, sin A. So sin A should be on the left hand side, and on the right hand side in terms of cot A. So whatever in terms of it is given in your question, that should be on right hand side only. Other than cot A, there should not be any other thing. Like in example, for an example, if it is given in the question that express trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of, for example, cosec A. Okay, so sin A and then equal to, after equal to on LHS part, other than cosec A, there should not be any other thing. I hope you are getting my point and able to understand it. Try these type of question. Then I'll discuss some other type of questions in next section. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. If you find any difficulty in understanding, then please write down in the comment box, because maths is just like fun. You'll enjoy to do it when your concepts are clear. Thank you so much.